it's Linda. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not alone, actually. I have someone with me.
Hey! Can we do this again? I feel like
you know, I'm gonna keep this in the video.
Hi!
You wanted Aya back, so I brought her back. I know that she loves a glossy eye, so she was the perfect model for this video. So
thank you for inviting me.
So I'm gonna do this glossy red. I'm just gonna do like this. Glossy red eye. Very simple, but still very
fabulous.
Fabulous eye look on her. I think it's time to start the tutorial.
Yeah.
I'm gonna focus on infinity glass and infinity filter, of course, and you have a little bit of privilege to be my sister-in-law because you know all the products before they come out, right?
Mm-hmm.
But did you know about these?
No.
That's
you
nice.
didn't tell me, Alex.
Like, I can't tell. I want to make it a secret sometimes, but well. So I'm gonna do, because I know you love gloss.
Yeah.
Like on eyes, on lips, on face, on everything. And then also infinity filter that is gonna do it a little bit. It's a little bit mattifying, or it is a setting powder, but still gives this little luminous feeling on the skin, which is really nice. But I'm gonna start off with your brows first because I'm gonna do everything from the start. Have you ever done soap brows?
Soap brows?
Mm-hmm. This is a soap. And do you recognize the soap?
I gave you this
Yes,
soap.
you did. You did.
On Christmas, I
Yes,
think.
yes. So this is like really, really nice soap. And now you can actually tell me, where is it from?
Muji.
Muji, okay, then it's from Muji. People have been asking, where is the soap from? It's from Muji. Say it again.
Muji.
Muji. What? This is because you will get like a very fluffy...
Oh, like wax?
Yes.
Oh, is it okay for skin?
Well, I think it's from person to person. If you're really sensitive, maybe you should not use soap on your skin every day.
Hey, I've never seen my brows like this.
What I'm gonna do now is to fill the brows in. Usually I do this before I do foundation because you mess up with the foundation if you do it on top of the foundation. So you can do this before and then you can apply your foundation or what. I'm using Fornax.
Okay.
This palette is so dirty, so I don't want to show it to you. But it's the almost black color. So I'm just doing like strokes to fake hairs. So I want them to look natural, but soft. Natural but soft. Natural and soft. And whatever, I don't know what I was supposed to go with that.
Okay, natural and soft. I got it.
I don't know, but well, okay. But let's go for that. Okay, I think this is enough. I really like how it is, how it turned out. So, brows are done. I really like it. So, foundation. First of all, I'm gonna use Infinity Glass as a primer. And you moved from Tokyo to very, very dry Sweden.
Yeah.
How do you feel like your skin is?
At first, my skin reacted like super bad. Oi! I got like powdery on my
Dry.
Yeah. Around my brows and the forehead, like I don't know, like boiled potato.
What?
Yeah, it looked really like boiled potato. Then I moisturized it and I used many products, but I didn't work actually.
Oh.
But I guess my skin got used to it.
It got better?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So much better.
So this product, Infinity Glass, is actually so good if you have dry skin and if you want to prime your face, because so many primers are made for oily skin. But not so many primers are made for dry skin. So this will actually, it's not moisturizing, it's just gonna keep the moisture in your skin and it is not gonna clog your pores. So you can use it as a primer underneath just to make your skin a little bit more, how do you say, makeup friendly, because put on makeup on dry skin can be really, really tricky. As you can see here, the skin is a little bit luminous right now, which is nice. And then you can also mix it together with your foundation. So I think I'm gonna mix a little bit. I'm gonna use the sponge to apply. I know I asked you before you came about like trends, makeup trends in like Japan and Sweden, and you said you don't know. But it has to be like some kind of like difference on certain things.
Like my impression of Swedish people's makeup, it's very like natural. I mean, they don't wear so much makeup. I think people don't wear so much makeup here. Like everything is super natural. But in Japan, people try to. I mean, I don't know much about Japanese makeup though, but people try to make their eyes so big with many things, like eyeliners and eyeshadows and things. I think that's the thing, but at the same time they want to look natural, so they don't use so much intense colors. I think people just use foundation and then loose powder and things on skin, but not contouring or like make it more like dimensional. I don't think they put effort on it.
So now you have a really, really dewy base.
Nice.
And you had a really good idea.
Yay!
About what we're gonna do. I was like, yeah, last time we did like a coppery, metallic eye, and I love that Aya is all about color because then I can go crazy. So
do that.
You just
be crazy.
Let's do a red, glossy eye.
I mean,
and like
red is my favorite color.
Yes,
so why not?
We're gonna do a red glossy eye. I'm gonna use Anger Mood crayon.
Oh, my favorite.
And then I'm gonna put gloss on top. So I'm gonna cover the lids in red first. Has red always been your favorite color?
I think so, for some reason.
Yeah?
I don't know why I like it so much. Once I started not to care, I can wear whole red from like top to toe.
I was really, really scared of red when I was younger, and I would never wear it because it felt like I was walking around with, like my clothes were walking around with me. Not that I was owning the clothes were owning me. And I felt really uncomfortable in red. But now I feel like I can wear red and still be comfortable in it, and it feels nice. I always like red makeup though. I'm blending it out. Can you look straight ahead? Oh, messed up a little bit. This is cool. Yeah, it looks like red is really your color.
Oh,
it is. It looks really awesome. Now I prep the eyes with red, and I'm not gonna do the under eye area. I'm just gonna focus on the eyelids. I'm gonna set the red crayon with infinity filter. So you can not only use infinity filter as a powder, you can also use it to set our crayons to make them last longer. If you, for example, have oily eyelids. So this is the color Light. It's gonna melt into the crayon. So first now I'm just gonna pack on pretty much.
Nice.
I'm gonna use Goldstone as blush because I think that's a really nice color and would be a really nice color on you. So I'm just gonna do like this, and this will blend in very well to the Infinity Glass as well. Blush is done, eyes are done. I'm actually not gonna use mascara on you because I know you don't like it, so I'm not gonna do that. And on your lips, I'm actually gonna use the same lipstick, Goldstone.
I love the color.
And I'm gonna use Infinity Glass on top of it. Where did it go? Just have to check again if we were recording or not.
If not,
oh my god, I would be so frustrated if it turned out that no, you were not recording. And so yeah.
It's gonna be funny though.
No, not at all. I've done that so many times. Yeah, I've done it so many times already. Like I've been recording this video and then
Just
turned out like
and putting makeup on for nothing.
and also I deleted a video once.
Oh!
I formatted the memory card with the video on. And then I'm gonna put some Infinity Glass on top just to make it even more glossy. We're gonna warm up the face. I'm just gonna stand a little bit closer. We're gonna warm up the face a little bit, and we're gonna do that with Infinity Filter Deep. If you have dark skin, you can use this powder as your setting powder, but if you have lighter skin, you can use it as a bronzing powder. So that's what I'm gonna do today, because I want all the products we do to be multifunctional, of course. So I want to show you all the ways you can use them for, and I'm going to use it as a bronzer.
Yeah, that's the interesting thing, like interesting difference between Sweden and Japan.
Yeah.
In Sweden, everyone is basically naked in summer and getting tan.
Okay, so I just used a little bit, and actually I'm going to use a little bit just in your forehead. Not in your forehead, but on your forehead. Let's do the glossy eyes. So what I usually do is to just put a little amount on my hand. Either you can do it with your fingers or you can do it with a brush, and I'm gonna do it with a brush.
Which one is better? Brush?
Usually I use 305, this brush. You can also use 304, but I think 305 is better because you have a little bit more precision with it because it's flat. So if you want to use it like on edges and stuff, if you want to put it on an eyeliner or whatever, I think this brush is better. So you can close. It looks very high fashion actually.
Yeah, with a soapy
Yeah,
brush.
with the soapy brows and everything. Yeah, you can look.
Ooh, this is cool. Yeah, it's like fashion photo.
Yeah, it's really, really cool.
The eye. Nice.
I think this is... Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, I was waiting for that.
Like a little, so we can still see the eyes. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do you want to see Aya back in another video? Thumbs up.
I hope so.
Thumbs
if you don't, just tell.
Thumbs up, and just yeah, you should thumbs up the video anyway, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.